Hi, I'm Louise from iiyama, and today we are going to be unboxing our brand new 34-inch curved QHD UltraWide monitor. I've been very excited to get hold of this monitor. It's got a Windows Hello 5-megapixel webcam built in and a microphone, and as it's part of our 97 series, it comes with a free 5-year warranty. I have been using 34-inch curved monitors for years now. I personally love the extra screen space an ultra-wide monitor gives, and it makes multitasking so much easier. The curve also helps to reduce eye strain, and it takes up less space on my desk compared to a dual screen setup. I'm very excited to get my hands on this one with the built-in camera and mic. The first thing you'll notice when we unbox the monitor is that the packaging is recyclable, so it's really great for the environment and it's really easy to dispose of as well. So let's take a look at what we've got in the box. We've got the monitor, we've got the height adjustable stand, the Visa mount that clicks onto this, the stand base, the cables that come in the box. We've got our DisplayPort cable, HDMI, USB-C to USB-C, which is for data, video and power delivery. We've also got our USB-A to USB-B cable, and just down here we've got our power cable, quick start guide and tool. So let's get the monitor built. So this stand is height adjustable up to 15 centimeters, and no tools are required to build the stand. We've got a handy built-in key here. So all I need to do, pop the stand into the base, just twist the base in securely, and then pop the key down. All we need to do here, it's the same format. Push the mount onto the stand and just turn the key. So once we've got the stand built, all we need to do is attach it to the monitor. So all you need to do is just push it in until you hear and see it click. If you do want to remove the arm, nice and simple. So let's get the monitor out of the box and have a look at the screen. Ta-da! So this monitor has got a 15 centimeter height adjustable stand. We can also tilt it, we can pivot, and then we've got the lovely addition of a swivel as well. What makes this screen great for productivity is the built-in USB-C dock and the KVM switch. So let's plug in some devices and see it in action. In this scenario, I've connected my laptop and my NUC PC to the monitor. The laptop has got a single USB-C cable, and this can handle power, data and video. In addition to this, I've also popped the dongle from my wireless keyboard into the back of the monitor, and this means that I can utilise the keyboard and mouse across the two devices. I've connected the NUC PC with a HDMI and USB cable to the monitor. This enables the KVM functionality. What I can now do, using the KVM switch, is select my laptop, and then using my keyboard and mouse, I can then work from my laptop rather than my NUC PC. What's a really nice feature of the KVM switch is our built-in webcam can now be utilised across both devices. The built-in 5-megapixel webcam with autofocus, microphone and privacy shutter is also compliant with Windows Hello. This enables me to log in quickly and securely with facial recognition whilst enjoying crystal clear video calls thanks to the high-resolution autofocus webcam. This is great for both video calls and streaming. The monitor has a 34-inch curved ultra-wide QHD panel, giving you a crisp, high-resolution picture and more space for multitasking. It's perfect for working across multiple apps, timelines or datasets without switching windows. With a response time of 0.4 milliseconds, this is going to reduce motion blur and ghosting. 120Hz refresh rate gives you ultra smooth motion, making the user experience feel more responsive. All these benefits also help to reduce eye strain, but the monitor does come with features such as anti-flicker and blue light reducer. Thank you for watching our video. For more information on this product or any others in the range, visit us at iiyama.com.